cooking. I'm a house, Sophia. Today I'm doing a product review of Kongsberg wireless remote digital thermometer. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe and also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started.
This is the Kongsberg wireless digital thermometer. It comes with a user manual, transmitting and receiving unit, plus 4 batteries. 2 temperature probes which can be used independently, and a probe shelf. It has a nice design with an adjustable stand, soft rubber sides that are easy to grip and hold. It has a large display for easy reading. There are 8 different types of meats to choose from and 5 levels of doneness. An alarm will tell you when your food is ready, and it can withstand temperatures up to 716 degrees Fahrenheit. Press the mode button to select one of the probes. Press and hold for 3 seconds to set the temperature manually. The taste button lets you choose between rare and well done. The meat button lets you select what kind of food you are cooking. All the temperatures are preset for you unless you want to change it manually. You can choose between Celsius or Fahrenheit and set an alarm. The transmitter and receiver can be up to 100 meters or 328 feet apart, so you don't need to babysit your food while it's cooking. I'm grilling some lamb chops outside.
Let's go and check it out.
I also tested it on this pan-fried steak. This looks like a good product. Check out the link in the description if you want to buy one.
You always welcome to leave your comments and suggestions, or if you want to share your recipes, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.